they are there, I know maybe they have carried them somewhere.
Ikintu kije ahubwo nyuma y'abahinje kugumana betombo imibazo yibarukoresa tera hamutindo kandi no kushanga ngo barukuguze imibazo tubarukumanya kugishoborera abahinje ekitumira abahinje bakora rose mpango omukuhinga Fred Mozera yagira ngo ibintu hecwe kwetorora bubona barukushangwa barukuguze ibintu bitara hamutindo umuri burenge bwizoba ya Uganda.
We are still closing, but so far 12 shops have been closed. And I think if you look at Kisoro municipality, I'm looking at, we don't have more than 20 shops. So all those that have been closed don't qualify under the law to operate.
Muzera nagira ngo kizibe cy'ibintu mu kurwana so mu cyogu n'abanyabutegeki abarukuremese horreji.
Uganda is an agriculture-based country. The leadership is trying to fight, the local leadership is trying to fight the government in the efforts that we are putting in place to make sure that farmers access quality inputs. And they will be the very people who will come back later on and then they will say that the ministry has not done this much.
Nagira ngo bamwe bineza certificate zijingirire kandi tubarukumanya n'icyo berukumanya.
The farmer is going to go and buy inputs from that shop. Already the person who is selling to you is a faker, because if you can fake a document and say you attended the post and you never attended it, and you want to express yourself in English, then we are in trouble. Because like I've said, the label is written in the official language, which is English. So if you cannot explain it, then how are you going to explain to the farmer?
Abahinje bagira ngo ubuzubuno buretwa government ahabwo butafayo kikatuma baferwe misiri yabo.
Nje nasabaga government kugira ngo ifashe abahinzi ndetse n'abashubura izi products kugira ngo at least bangurize ku bahinzi.
Serivanje zirapfa nibyo mfuhiri ugo munsi ngo nikimenyesha kuje gushaka izindi sere nabwo byabiri gupfa.
Umuganda batura baheriye n'imyatano y'ebisharra batandikira kubashomesa ko bine korese bisharre ebibarukushisha ebibiro mutabona kanso yari amahungu mu district ya Kamwenge kandi horreje genderire kugarura busya ebyo buhangwa.
Abantu baheriye ebisharra byona mu Uganda tihine muntu ori kugira ngo echarre kine cyanje omwe na Kamwenge etwarirwe.
Mushango mutasire naza kuriya naza kuhigayo naza kuhingayo naza kushoha ebyenyaga tekwe abikuzabona kasente ubundi atwara umwana ishobora ubundi kuremire yo kuteka mu katamazima. So abantu twajangureka tugire ibindi bintu bitwa engaging kugira ngo nabo babeho.
Ejo bwahateye bembirwe kitongore cyane cya Uganda ubwo cero kushajyuka ba European Union barukurabira mu Uganda Biodiversity Fund.
Turimo kuyija twine plan yo gukora na district ya Kamwenge na department ya natural resources baza kwija batekeho emyatano kwereka abantu ngo cyane kikomaha ndeni takaryanyu iri side area
kibe kiza kutugumira ku organizing aba bantu aba konka nsima ekitongore cyane cya Uganda na Kamwenge district kitongore cyo buhangwa ekikwatira ukoreka ngo twatunga mu gisabwo kunganya abantu kubaronda ka refreshment n'ebindi
tuza kukurebwa ngo twakome byo vangwa kandi twakome byo vangwa hata nchibanchi manyisango injurani tuza kuba twine nongera kumara tuza kuba twinemerera kumara umushweka kitu tuza kuba n'amatungo gitu tugarabure bizi
Gashakwa keta tuzarirwe na Anthony Twine.